No problem.
Okay.
I'll edit it.
So Eric McIsaac, I've worked with PW Trenchless for about a week and a half. And favorite thing about working with PW Trenchless? Mostly the camaraderie. I like all the people I work with. Everyone, ever since I've started. I've only been here for a little while, and everyone I've worked with has been super helpful. All the guys I've worked with have kind of showed me the ropes, and they weren't kind of jerks about it like most places are. Everyone was super nice and super friendly, and they kind of throw you in, but they also teach you stuff. They're kind of throwing you into what's going on, but they also are trying to train you at the same time. So it's good in that sense, and everyone's just super friendly. Everyone, if you work hard and you put in the work, everyone appreciates it. And I've gotten a lot of feedback from all my bosses and my foremen and everything, and everyone's been super friendly and super grateful that I've been on the crew, and it's been great. Oh, before I worked for, I was working for the engineering on a pipeline in Hope, BC, and I got a girlfriend in Vancouver and wanted to stay in Vancouver, and I found a job. I saw a job listing similar to pipelining, and my Spencer, the guy, hired me on, and he was super friendly and super happy to have me on, and got me on here, and it's just been great ever since. I like it. It's a good time. Yep.